What's going on? I just want to let you guys know I've been working with CPN Generator for about 5 years now. I was able to get this car right here, fully loaded, with my CPN. Just putting people on game on what CPNs are and how you can, use them to your advantage. Of course, you don't want to do illegal stuff with it, but you can do things to come up. So like and smash this video if you want to see more content and hear more about what we're going to be talking about here. CPN Generator reached out to me and said, can you give us some content on what you do with your CPNs? So I said, you know what? I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put y'all on game on how I use Capital One to get a $10,000 credit card using a CPN. So Capital One, $10,000 credit card using a CPN. I'm going to tell you what you must have on your CPN. I'm going to tell you what you must put on the application, which is super important. And also, honestly, how I would use that 10K once that card comes in the mail. And even if that card doesn't come in the mail, guess what? It's a way to still use that 10 grand. So stay locked in because this is the real sauce. No one's giving you, not even Bandman, none of these, so-called gurus out here giving you this sauce that you're about to get now from somebody who's actually coming up off of CPNs, not just selling them. But like I said, CPN Generator reached out to me and asked, coming from a source, could they get some sauce? So here we go with some sauce. I want y'all to stay locked in and follow for more tips like this, okay? Okay, the first thing you need to know when it comes to getting approved is you need to know where to go, okay? Where to go. And I'm telling you, I'm going to leave this link down below. So make sure you follow these instructions. You're going to want to go to Capital One, and these are your choices. And I'm going to tell you why. These are your choices. I'm going to leave a link directly to here. This tells you exactly where you want to be. Now, if you're rebuilding your credit, you want to click on this first credit level, fair to rebuilding. Those are pretty much the easiest ones to get. However, the limits are going to be lower. So just keep that in mind, you know. But if you have a CPN and it's strong, let's say you have a primary, you have your PR together and you have your score up there, then you don't have to go to this first level. I would recommend going to the second or the third one, the cashback rewards or the travel rewards, because the limits are going to be higher, the perks are going to be better. Now, if you're a student, or even if you're not a student, but if I say in your 20s and you want to apply for the student rewards, you can apply for that. If you have a business, you can apply for the business rewards using your CPN as the personal guarantor. And I will get more into this in later videos. So make sure you smash that like, smash that follow as we dive deeper into what you need to do with your CPN once you have it and you're trying to apply for your first credit card, okay? You're trying to apply for your first credit card. Again, let's go ahead and click on this credit building. This is going to take you directly to the cards, okay? Directly to the cards. You have the Platinum MasterCard. You have the Quick Silver Rewards. You have the Quick Silver Secure, which is a secure card. You don't really want to mess with that. Some of these have annual fees and things of that nature, but you can apply directly from this site. So, without further ado, now I'm about to tell you guys exactly what you need to have on your file before you apply to this Capital One. So stay locked in. Okay, we're back now. We're getting through to the best part of the video. So make sure you stay locked in to the end because I'm going to give you some extra sauce to help you get your CPN to the next level. Okay, look. So now I want you guys to see what exactly needs to be on your CPN to get you where you need to be. All right. So I went over to CPN Generator. Like I said, they reached out to me. They said, hey, can you show these people how you do it, how you got your Escalade, how you got your your 10K credit cards with Capital One and all the business capital you've received. I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna spread some love. So back over here at CPN Generator, if you're on the website at CPN Generator, and you can click right here to where it says, and right here it shows you all of their, all of the clients that's getting results. You got clients that's getting apartments, and you got clients that's getting approved for vehicles right here. So whenever you have a second, go check this out yourself. It really works. It really works. So go ahead. You can click on get started for as little as $99. This is going to take you to their packages and pricing. All right. On their packages and pricing, I always start out with this package right here, the $699 600 plus credit score. The reason why it comes with the Credit Karma login, a tri-merge CPN. So they give me a Credit Karma to make sure that the number is activated. So if it's activated with the credit bureaus, that means it's active. So I'm happy that they give me that and my clients that, because it's easy. All right, they add one AU trade line and the scores in the 600s. The trade lines, they show up in 7 days. Now, I'll admit, a few years ago when I was working with them, it used to take 30 days, but now they can get your trade line on there in 7 to 10 days. And it's like night and day. I think they changed management or something, but it's working really good. So all my packages where I get the 10K Capital One, I start off with the $699 package, and then I'll add a primary. Now, primaries, they don't have them listed on here. They have them on this one package here. You see the $14.99 comes with one primary and two authorized users. But typically, I'll just add that on myself. So, you can speak with the representative. They always answer the phone. They have a 1-800 number, everything like that. And then so you can add trade lines by themselves. And then also, yeah, look at this. Trust Pilot. So for all the clients saying, hey, man, these people, they're not real. They're taking my money. Look at this. You can click right here on their Trust Pilot. It took me right to CPN Generator's Trust Pilot. You got 26 good reviews, 4.4. This is what people are saying about them right here. You can read this. My phone is jamming up here, but you can go here yourself. They're on Trust Pilot. So again, the last thing you want to make sure you have are PR. PR stands for public records. You want to have at least 50 public records. I'm going to dive more into public records, what they are, how to get them on another video. So just stay locked in. But I wanted to show you guys that you definitely need a CPN that's tri-merged and active with the credit bureaus. And then also you need to have a credit score at least in the 680 range, in the 600s. And then you want to add one primary on there, and you'll get approved for this Capital One so easily for 10K. All right. So I've showed you guys already the 3 top steps. All right. Coming back, we're going to finish it off, and I'm going to give you guys that sauce. So stay locked in. But definitely CPN Generator has made me a lot of money. A lot of my clients, they mess with them. They real. So if you got the sauce right here, stay locked in. Okay, for the last thing, we're going to talk about what to put on your application so you can get approved. I'm actually going to walk you through this Capital One application. This is something no one's doing. So make sure you smash that like if you're getting a lot of good content from this, and you want us to make more videos like this. I can make another one to show you guys some more info. But yeah, go ahead and smash that like. Go ahead and share this video. Okay. All right. So again, we're on these cards. As you can see, this platinum shows fair credit. This one, the platinum secured says rebuilding. You don't want to use that. That's like a secure card. They're gonna make you put some money down to have it. So let's say if we went and applied for this quicksilver rewards. This is a low one. So this one probably wouldn't get you 10,000, but I'm gonna just show you anyway. We're gonna go ahead and hit apply now. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is put your legal name, which is your CPN name. So whatever CPN generator sent you back over on your email, make sure you put the exact spelling of that name that exact way. Okay. All right. The next thing, you're going to hit continue. I'm just going to put any information in here. I'm going to put John Doe. Are you a U.S. citizen? Yes, of course. No to that question. Where do you live? You're going to put the exact address as your CPN is registered to. This needs to be exactly how it is. So let's say it's 101 Smith Street. Okay, you're going to put your email and your phone in. Hit continue. Are you employed? Always put that you're employed on here. Always. Occupation, always put manager. Total income. So you want this number to be above 80,000. So you could just put any random number, just put anything over that, just put that. But sometimes I definitely go, close to 9.5, somewhere in there. How much you paying in rent? I normally just put a conservative number in there, 1,500. Do you have any bank accounts? Yes. You want to put you have all these. I always put yes for that. It gives them an extra layer of security. You're going to put your birth date. You're going to put the CPN number right here. You're going to hit continue. They want you to verify it. So I'm just typing stuff in, but I'm going to put 600. I'm going to put 323 600 9999. 323 600. Continue. Now you're finishing up. You're just checking everything. Going over the disclosures, and you're submitting your application. Of course, this account is not real. I'm just showing you how this will go, and it will literally say approved and what your amount is. I did a smaller limit card on here, so I don't expect this to get approved. No. All right. But of course, this is how it will work. But it would say you've been approved and your card is on the way. Now, let me give you some sauce on what'll happen once that card comes, okay? So when that card comes in the mail, if you're not able to get the card from that address, it's okay. The sauce that I wanted to tell you guys about, this is it. So go ahead and smash that like and stay tuned. Now, a lot of people, what they do, they get frustrated when they can't get something in that CPN address because they can't get it from that mailbox. Well, with Capital One, it's okay. After 2 months, 60 days, Capital One will give you a virtual card and allow you to use this card online to pay for things online. No, a lot of people don't know about this, but Capital One will give you a virtual card after 2 months if you can't receive the card in the mail. So this is a way that I use this to get the sauce. So if I use a CPN address, I can't get a hold of the card, I will get a virtual card after so many days. And then it's another way that you can get a card shipped to a different address. I'm going to put that in another video. So make sure you follow, like for more content like this. And again, this was a way to get 10K on a Capital One using CPN. Let's go.